Spice performed live in Orlando, Florida last night.
Sing one of my songs there. After we're small, and do any Spice song. Any Spice song. You know any Spice song? Come over the fence. So after we're small, I am African sing a Spice song. One Kushina and the Chiefs. Come over the fence now. Climb over.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Hope everybody is good and dry and safe out there, because a crazy flooding we see go on in Jamaica, you know what I mean? A whole heap of place we see wash out, we see road pop, we see the videos them too as well. And the people them were in the midst of it and I experience it. Please me I beg you, you know what I mean? Try to keep it together as much as you can. Me know say, you know, there's not much you can do. People them when in it. And no say yeah, we can't look out and stay safe and don't try to move to higher grounds, right? So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. So last night the Queen of Dancehall Spice was in Orlando live at a event. I think the promoter then named Blue Rave. So shout out to Blue Rave Promotions in Orlando, Florida, right? But I have some clips to show on the people. So we are gonna take in piece of the performance first. Here goes.
I'm on the tick like a commie. Style on the vocal. Black and beautiful. So me now. Me no free, me no just me no icon. Me money make a get a some can't do it. Oh Lord.
So one I think what I like about Spice, the queen of stage, is that Spice no monotone. You know what I mean? She not just have one style. She have multiple style what she use in a different cases and different scenarios, right? So if you go a one Spice show last week and you go a one this week, it might be different. You see what I mean? I say depends on the vibes what she give and what she feel like. Now in the front of the video, you know, I want to see when she asks and I say, if you know any Spice song, come sing it and you get a grassy noir. All right. So me go show on that part there of the video now. You see me? I say. So the real Spice fan them do. More asking a question. More want to think about it. Because maybe after I watch the video, we not can answer the question. But if she call you up on stage and say sing a Spice song, whose song you would have sing? Go and think about it. All right, anyways, here's the video.
Mr. When me clear the mic, you have to just sing a Spice song. You have to can't go on like me, drop the song, you have to know something about me. You sure? On behalf of Grassinor, the outfit is waiting. Let me see if she's a Spice fan. Fix me good if you fix me good now. Set me good if you set me good now. Love me good if you love me good now. Let me say the I'm the right. Hey. Set me good now. Hey. Love me good if you love me good now. Let me say if I'm the right. Set me good and make me keep on Hold on. You know what I feel good? Hold up. If you never know about Spice, you know about Spice now. You know why I feel good? That was my very first record from 2020 years ago. Give it up to this girl. Give up yourself. Yeah, I'm behalf of Grassinor. Yeah, where's the large outfit? Let me get the large quickly. We need a next Spice fan. You have to wear large or something. Give me the Grassinor and quick and fast.
If you think she go and go put in the comment section and tell me. And then she have to get a plus because she sing a song where Spice say is actually her first song from 20 years ago. So that shows you say she's a day one fan, right? So big her up, right? Now people, let's take a second to talk about how much of a marketing genius Spice actually is. Because, you know, this is a show, a performance, and Spice just decides, say, all right then, we are going to give her some Grassinor for, you know what I mean, if we get little entertainment at the same time. So now now somebody can actually see the product and, you know what I mean, probably share it and show some other people who actually are going with the product, are probably more sale for her. You see what I said? That was a boss move, and me have to just look upon that and appreciate that and just big up the queen. One of the most, you know what I mean, market savvy dancehall artists, with male and female, you know what I mean? And that's just my opinion. So we have another piece of video. Take a look at this.
Come in, Fluffy. Come in, Fluffy. Where is guys? I want you on the first time. Yes, yes. But we say this is the last one. Let me see what you can go with. Ready up.
Ready. Ready, man. All right.
Attitude in it more. Strike them! I want to hear those. Can I get that? Means I got when I fight over mine. Family come in touch of some kind. This is the only one here, man. This is who I just like a bomb. Take pussy down and fight over mine. And everybody knows that me and me and brand. All of me did the wickedest stuff. But if you don't love me, don't me in. Hold up. Now the girls of your old school. Now, hold up. I have faces and laces, piano palette, and microphone brush set. I'm not sure if this is gonna fit you. You can give it to somebody if you want, or you can take the piano palette. Your choice. All right. Okay, she said she don't mind. She can give it to her cousin or somebody. Happy birthday, Goody. All right, big up yourself. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, she go on good to you. So I said them know the song, them know the words, and them have the crowd that sing along. So I guess that's the key to it. So if you're ever in this situation and you have to go up on stage, again, I ask the question, which song you would choose? Which Spice song you would choose? You know what I mean? Which one you know all the lyrics to? Because a couple people come up there, you know what I mean? We just cut out them part there because it don't make the video long, and then, you know what I mean? It don't probably go click off anyway. So couple people come up there and never know the lyrics. So I'm going to post the full video on my Instagram so you can actually see the other parts them, right? But shout out to those ladies. They did well, exceptionally well, I must say. And, you know what I mean, I like it. And big up to the queen of the dancehall. So I say, big up yourself, Queen Spice. Long live the queen every time. Now that brings us to the end of today's video, people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. And big up on yourself, you know what I mean? On the stay dry out there. Everybody, you know what I mean? Stay safe.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.